Welcome to this academic session presented by Assignment on Click. In this video, we provide a beginner-friendly introduction to R programming, a language widely recognized for its strength in statistical computing and data analysis. We begin by understanding the purpose of R. Originally developed for statisticians and data scientists, R has grown into a powerful tool for data exploration, modeling, and visualization. Its open-source nature and strong package ecosystem make it a preferred choice for academic research and real-world data work. To start using R effectively, it is recommended to install RStudio, an integrated development environment that simplifies coding, file management, and visualization. With a user-friendly interface, RStudio helps learners write, run, and debug R code in a more organized environment. Next, we explore R's core data structures, such as vectors, lists, matrices, and data frames. Understanding these types is fundamental, as they are the building blocks for storing and manipulating data in R. We then move into data wrangling, an essential part of any analysis. Packages like dplyr and tidyr, part of the tidyverse, allow users to filter, sort, join, and reshape datasets with clarity and efficiency. Finally, data visualization in R is made easy with the gplot2 package. It allows the creation of clear, customizable, and professional charts that help communicate data insights effectively. Assignment on Click is dedicated to helping students gain practical and conceptual skills in tools like R through structured guidance and real-world examples. Thank you for learning with us. For more academic tutorials, stay connected with Assignment on Click.